Spanish Bear, 1994 here. I got a box. Let's take a look and see. You don't even need to open the tape for that. The cut scissors for it. I told you I don't remember. It's just the tape was inside. I believe you need to cut it with scissors for that. Hey, time to get it out. How was that coral streamer? There we go. You know, it's kind of hard to open like that. Okay, look at this. It's a Freddy versus Jason cup. New Line Cinema, Warner Brothers. You know, this is a movie back here, 2003. You know what I'm gonna do with this? Lay a drink with pop or soda, or I don't know, put like coins are in, or cash bills, whatever it takes. This one is just, you know, like it's like a. What did they get this from? Like in a movie theater or something? Let's see here. Party cup. Or this was, oh, it's in Spanish. Sí, en español. Made in the United States, but well, it's for the bottom. See that? So, comment below if you've seen one of these. They said it was a party cup. It's just because, like, I got one of those. That just came in the mail today. And I finally got it. So. Yeah, now I remember something because I've been watching like the movie of it. Russell, I know it's on L3. I know Friday the 13th. Well, Freddy Cooper, Jason Voorhees. You know, like it's. I was trying to get like the action figures. See Freddy and Jason in this, what they fight. That's what it is. Well, empty. It's not in there. We call it a party cup. That's all because of. Some people were just nice. You know, the time when the film director made the movie. And that's all because of that. Alright. Thank you for watching. You will go ahead and comment, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, hold you like this, and give you thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Until next time, Spanish Bear 1994 will be here all year.